Hello children, a very warm welcome to the virtual session again. So you can see on the screen, today we are going to have a session of MCQs. To check how much you have learned for this chapter heat, you can assess yourself. Each questions you will get 10 seconds and you can assess yourself. You can find the answer in your mind and assess yourself for the science quiz here for the chapter heat. Let us begin. Which thermometer you will use when you are suffering from fever? Maximum minimum thermometer, clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer, or any one of the above. So your time starts now. So what is the right answer? Let us see. Yes, clinical thermometer is the right answer. You have learned this. Clinical thermometer you use for. Okay, so now next, range of clinical thermometer in Celsius scale. We should know the range. A, 94 to 108 degrees Celsius, 37 to 45 degrees Celsius, 35 to 42 degrees Celsius, 36 to 42 degrees Celsius. So your time starts now. You assess yourself, children. Can you find the answer? Any guesses there? Yes. So let us see the right answer. 35 to 42 degrees Celsius. That is the C. I hope you got the answer right, children. Yes, now we'll go for next. Identify the incorrect statement. You have to identify incorrect statement here. Two layers of blanket traps air, and as air is bad conductor of heat, thus prevents heat loss from body. King prevents the backflow of mercury in bulb. Heat transfer through radiation does not require medium. None of the above. Any guesses there, children? Your time starts now. I hope you all are guessing the right answer, and most of you will get the right answer because your concepts are clear. I hope, I'm very much hopeful. None of the above, because all three here you can see are the correct statement. So you have to find out the incorrect statement. First one, correct statement you can see. You can read out, it is a correct statement. Bad conductor of heat, air traps and thus prevent loss from body. King prevents the backflow of mercury to the bulb, and heat transfer through radiation does not require medium. These are all correct statements. That's why none of the above. Yes or no, children? Have you all got the right answer, everyone? Yes. We'll go for next. Which of the following is true about conduction? First one, heat transfer in solid takes place through conduction. Heat transfer from stove to fry pan is through conduction. Through conduction, heat can be transferred from one part of solid object to its other part. All of the above. So can any guesses there, children? Your time starts now. Let us see, can you guess the answer? Which of the following is true about conduction? You have learned conduction. So the right answer, all of the above. Why heat transfer in solid takes place through conduction? Yes, in solids. Then you know the main key points there. Yes, heat transfer from stove to fry pan is through conduction. Obviously, in solids, that's why stove to fry pan through conduction. Then C, through conduction, heat can be transferred from one part of the solid to its other part. So all these statements you can see is true about conduction. That's why all of the above. Next, identify the incorrect statement. Please see that you have to identify incorrect statement. Kink is present in laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer is used to measure body temperature only. Range of clinical thermometer is 94 to 108 degree Fahrenheit. Bulb clinical thermometer contains mercury. Any guesses there? Your time starts now. So what should be the answer? Kink is present in laboratory thermometer is the incorrect statement. Why? Because kink is present in clinical thermometer. This was the incorrect statement. I hope everyone has got that. Best choice of clothes during summer. During summer season, let us see dark color cotton, light color cotton, light color wool, light synthetic. So now you should know the best choice. You have already learned and you are experiencing when you are wearing clothes in summer. So you should know these answers should be very easy for you. I hope you are getting light color cotton. Why? Because it will absorb your sweat and very comfortable. And light color, you know, you have learned. Dark color cotton, what will happen? It will absorb more heat. Light color, uh, it will not absorb heat and it will give you comfort. Average human body temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, 37 degrees Celsius, 38 degrees Celsius, both A and B. So your time already started. Let us see, can you guess? It's a self-assessment for you. You are going to check yourself how much you have learned for this chapter. So the right answer, both A and B, because in degree Fahrenheit it can be 98.6 degree Fahrenheit if you're taking that scale, and if you're taking degree Celsius scale, then it will be 37 degrees Celsius. So both A and B right. Which thermometer should be kept in touch with the substance while taking reading? So now over here, first clinical, laboratory, both clinical and laboratory thermometer, digital. Which thermometer should be kept in touch with the substance while taking reading? So now let us see. Okay, any guesses there? Your time started. Can you guess, children? You can assess yourself. So what should be the right answer here? Laboratory. Thermometer should be kept in touch with the substance while taking reading. We have learned this in the revision session also. Laboratory thermometer should be kept in touch with the substance while taking reading. So this should be the right answer. Identify the correct statement here. Black color reflects most of the heat. Plastic allows heat to pass through it. Sunlight reaches us through radiation. Iron is not a conductor. Time started. Identify the correct statement here. Here you can see the right answer. Sunlight reaches us through radiation. This is the correct answer. So I hope black color reflects most of the heat. Is it correct? Can you guess? A plastic allow heat to pass through it. Iron is not a conductor. All this statement incorrect, and the correct statement, sunlight reaches us through radiation. Range of laboratory thermometer is, now lab thermometer range, you know, you have learned this. Minus 10 to 100 degrees Celsius, 10 to 100 degrees Celsius, minus 10 to 10 degrees Celsius, minus 10 to 110 degrees Celsius. You should know this answer. I am very much hopeful. I know you know this answer, children. So time getting over now. Yes. D, correct. Minus 10 to 110 degrees Celsius is the range of laboratory thermometer, which you have already done in your previous sessions. Now, heat transfer in liquids and gases takes place through the process of conduction, convection, radiation, both A and B. So, heat transfer in liquid and gases, you all know. Your time is already started. Very simple, extremely simple. In liquid and gases, you know, the process takes place through convection, which we have learned. Okay. Next one, which of the following is not a conductor? Iron, wood, aluminium, copper. So you need to know, your time already started. Which one of the following is not a conductor? Conductor of heat? No, yes. Very simple. Wood, yeah, others are all metal. Iron, aluminium, copper will conduct heat because they are all metals. Metals conduct heat. Wood is an insulator, it will not conduct heat. So wood is the answer for this. Degree of hotness or coolness of an object is called its heat, temperature, pressure, both B and C. So degree of hotness or coldness. Any guesses there? Any guesses there, children? We have done all these, children. What should be the right answer? Temperature. That will tell you the degree of hotness or coldness. Heat is the energy which we are taking with temperature. 14.1. Materials which do not allow heat to pass through them easily are called as conductors, insulators, poor conductors, both B and C. Material which do not allow heat to pass through them, they are called as, yes, very easy. We have done. Your time is going now. Time is getting over here. So the correct answer, both B and C, which do not allow heat to pass through them easily, are called as both B and C, insulators or poor conductors. B and C will be the right answer. Finally, the last one, identify the incorrect statement. Clinical thermometer should be read along the line of sight. Digital thermometer does not use mercury. Wood allows heat to pass through it. Mercury expands when it is heated. So your time starts now. The correct answer, wool allows heat to pass through it. This should be the incorrect statement, children. I hope you like this session. Thank you and have a wonderful day.